Hey, it's Corey here from DIX Performance North, and today I'm going to talk about how amazing KBS products are. Now, KBS stands for Clean, Blast, Seal, the 3 steps you need for a professional coating that's going to look good for years. KBS Klean is a powerful cleaner that deeply penetrates to lift oil and dirt from most surfaces, and won't leave noxious fumes or harmful residues, and leaves your surface ready for step number 2, Blast. Blast is an easy-to-use rust-removing agent that you can simply spray on and watch the rust dissolve. The best part is Blast will etch the surface with a zinc phosphate coating, which will help to form a really strong bond with the last step, Seal. Seal is an incredible rust preventative product that literally lets you paint over the little, if any, rust left behind by Blast. It seals the metal and stops rust dead in its tracks, sealing out oxygen and moisture. Just take a look at how durable KBS coatings are. KBS offers a wide range of unique products like Cavity Coater, a one-step super penetrating rust inhibiting coating for long-term protection on all metals in areas that you just can't reach with a brush or an aerosol. Clear Diamond Finish is a moisture-cured top coat designed to add body, depth, and a rich gloss finish to any existing top coat. Motor Coater is an easy-to-apply, self-leveling professional coating, giving you deep, rich colors for a show-stopping finish. Gold Standard Tank Sealer is a ready-to-use kit formulated for coating and sealing the inside of steel, aluminum, and fiberglass tanks. Now that we talked about the product itself, I want to show you a before and after of the 3-step process. Obviously, this rear axle is not exactly something that you want on your build. But with KBS coatings, you can easily achieve a finish like on this crossmember. What's really amazing about this product is this crossmember has a finish similar to a powder coat, even though the whole thing was applied with a hand brush, and it doesn't leave any visible brush marks. We chose to do a satin black finish on this crossmember, but it's also available in a high gloss finish, like what we chose to do the rest of the frame in. Whether you're doing a frame-off restoration, or you just want to add a nice finish to some suspension components, consider KBS. Keep rust at bay with KBS coatings. Available today at DIXPerformanceNorth.com.